Decide if you need car repair insurance. Auto repair costs. Get auto insurance coverage to help pay the bill at repair shops. What is auto repair insurance? Why should I get it? What purpose does it serve? These are all good questions to ask when researching the topic. Auto repair insurance is a type of insurance contract between the owner of a vehicle and the insurance company. This agreement states that the company that insures the automobile agrees to shoulder all repair costs of the automobile for a specific amount of time commensurate to your coverage. Why should you get it? As a vehicle is driven, car accidents do happen, but even more inevitably the working parts start to wear down and eventually fail. When this happens, it is instinct to call a mechanic to get the vehicle repaired. In that case, auto repair insurance will shoulder all of the costs, provided that all requirements set forth in the policy have been met. And it will cost you nothing at all. This saves you money as well as relieving extra worries. Here are the benefits to obtaining car repair insurance, which should go hand in hand with your policy. It will save you tons of money. Having auto repair insurance will surely ease your mind from worries about bills piling up, should your car break down. A policy is there to help shoulder and even cover all the expenses. Auto repair shops are now quite expensive, all the more so with the current economy. It is very practical for you to have such a policy. If you don't have the time to learn basic car repair, then get this insurance to save you from a lot of trouble and headaches. Be prepared. It will make your car last longer, because you can have your car repaired right away if any problem occurs. This ensures that your car, auto body, and car parts are going to last longer because they are being cared for properly by an auto repair shop. Regular automotive service. With insurance, you will get auto service regularly due to the fact that repairs are completed quickly. This helps keep your car running efficiently. The best auto mechanics. You can choose the mechanic that repairs your vehicle. Most warranty plans require the use of their facilities in order to get the necessary care. Car repair insurance, on the other hand, allows the owner of the automobile to choose the shop. Many of these policies are transferable. When purchasing a new car, you may be allowed to transfer the policy to the vehicle. This is allowed with select policies. Make small monthly payments. Automobile repairs are often unexpected and usually quite costly. With car repair insurance, however, you will only pay a small monthly fee. This amount stays the same regardless of the size and amount of the work done. Get bumper-to-bumper coverage. Bumper-to-bumper coverage is a term used by car dealerships to describe a warranty that covers all repairs on the car. These warranties usually only last until a certain cap is reached. Insurance does not place these restrictions on the automobile owner. All repairs are covered for the duration of the policy. Before you get auto repair insurance, make sure that you understand what is covered in the policy. Some policies might not cover auto body work, and there may be other parts that are not covered. Make sure that you know what kind of auto insurance coverage you are getting. Car repair insurance cannot be purchased for any car. Companies have placed restrictions on the allowed mileage to ensure that these plans can continue to be offered for a reasonable price. While there are some that only accept newer vehicles with fewer than 20,000 miles, some companies will insure vehicles for up to 100,000 miles. There are few, if any, policies that cover repairs after that point. Particularly for a new vehicle or a late model car, auto repair insurance is very practical, will save you money, and is good for your car's health and longevity, especially as there are many extras that can be added to a policy. Some of those include dent and scratch repair work that will keep your car looking new. There is no need to repair a car all by yourself. Get yourself insurance first, then start making baby steps towards learning the basics of car repair if that is what you want to do. With an auto repair policy, you can have the car serviced every several months through certain insurance coverage, and you may never need a mechanic for serious repair again.